All right, guys, this one right here, it's a special one. This is the rare occurrence where this Jeep actually made it off the hoist and down to White Rock Dodge before it got sold. So that means it doesn't have an owner yet. So this is our entry-level package into the conversions. Under the hood, we have a 392 SRT engine doing 505 horsepower. Definitely spicier than the factory 392 that comes in the Wrangler. And this is a Gladiator. Unlike the 392 Wrangler that comes from factory without the 4-to-1 transfer case and with that all-wheel drive crap, this gives you the bed, which allows you to put 1, 2, maybe 3 donkeys in here, which you will be hauling ass. We've added the fender extension so you're legal. We've got proper tires and wheels, and we have got our custom hand-picked lift kit that we put on all America's Most Wanted conversions so that it actually handles and drives properly with all the extra weight and power your foot can push down. This isn't our normal suspension, but this is the kit we put on all the America's Most Wanted stuff. So you see here, we got a Falcon shock, but not just a Falcon shock. We have a specifically tuned for America's Most Wanted engine conversions, Falcon 3.3. So it'll handle the weight and the aggressiveness you're going to drive this with. We have TerraFlex front coils, which have been tuned for extra weight load for the AMW conversion. And then from there, we add the TerraFlex HD steering. So it tightens up the steering because it's no longer the Hydromatic power steering pump. It's now a power steering pump on the motor, and it's a lot nicer feel when you're driving. Nexus stabilizer up front, so you can adjust it a bit to what you want it to do. We've obviously got the drop brackets. We've left all the factory control arms because they provide the most comfortable ride and longest lifespan. Always can be changed if you want to make this into a crazy rock crawling bit or rig. Method race wheels, one of my favorite wheel companies. Light, fast, and these are a nice machined polished wheel. It looks great with this color, and wrapped in a Mickey Thompson Baja Boss AT, which are snowflake rated, which is amazing for the harsh weather Canada will throw at you. So same thing in the rear. We've got the Falcon 3.3 from America's Most Wanted. We've got the wheels, the tires. We put a Hellwake sway bar in so we can tighten up that body roll around turns when you're driving like a race car driver. We have upgraded all the brakes to the Delta brakes from TerraFlex, which are a 4-piston caliper, anodized aluminum, bigger rotor all the way around, and we've extended the rear brake lines so they can reach to the bottom of the caliper. These are one of the things I have wished I put on my vehicle, but it's done for now. It stops so smoothly, and you don't have to worry about hitting that car in front of you that doesn't get out of your way. So with this, we decided to leave out the re-gear of this build to give it an option to the customer. Maybe they're happy with the amount of power and the fuel economy that'll come without the re-gear, or maybe they want to go deeper and throw 40s and 1-tons under it. But regardless, if you come here and you're like, I want it to be re-geared, I want to do overlanding, it's quick, easy, can be done, and then you can be off to the races doing whatever it is you plan to use this beautiful project for. We like to do a couple little details, even though this was like an entry-level package. So we peeled off the Rubicon decal. We matched the wheels, so we have brushed aluminum backing. We've got the 505 horsepower ghosted into the satin black. It looks great. We have also changed the gauge cluster to be the kilometer per hour America's Most Wanted Challenger style gauges that you'll be staring at while you're pinning the needle in the red zone. We've also pulled out the factory LEDs, and these have been modified to be the America's Most Wanted factory LED headlights. So they've got the etching in, the halo switches to amber and works as the turn signal perfectly with the marker lights. And there's a slight glow on the headlight when you're just in park. This hood is obviously the hood from the 392 and the Mojave. It doesn't go directly into the intake, but it does provide more cooling, and it looks nice and aggressive. This was an upgrade we did on this model. You don't have to for a 392 conversion, but you want to. Look at that beauty. It is stunning. It fits in here without any issues. You'd think it was factory if it wasn't for the cold air intake. Like right down to the factory tube. That's clean. I've seen many companies do a conversion with JKs and even a couple with the new JLs. and you're trying to stuff stuff that doesn't belong in there, or you're just trying to make it work by hacking and cutting, this is done with almost all factory components, right down to the tape on the wiring. It still maintains the factory battery and fuse box that just been slightly modified for clearance. We've put a new washer fluid jug, coolant jug, a new billet aluminum rad, not billet, my bad, aluminum rad, all factory style hoses. We've basically got the cold air intake here with an oiled filter, and it sucks a ton of air into this engine. This is literally a service engine that would have gone into a Challenger. So it's already been pre-run, it comes with a warranty, and it just turnkey started up when we put it in the vehicle. It is phenomenal. This vehicle is at White Rock Dodge right now. You can come down, you can test drive it. Hell, if you live in St. John's, Newfoundland, they will send this across the country to you. They have covered trailers and dualies that can tow it, deliver it anywhere in Canada. So if you're like, oh, I wish I lived closer, we'll just come to you. And if this isn't enough power for you, we've got several packages above this, including that demon right there that will just scare you to death. You remember all the times your wife complains about going to Costco in that minivan you got her?
Yeah, I do.
Well, she's been calling me. She would gladly go pick up rotisserie chicken in this vehicle. Hell, she might even bring you home a new set of golf clubs. Whatever Costco has, this can pick up.
Looking for an epic Jeep? Give us a call.